Hello, today is Thanksgiving Day 2018. Another Thanksgiving done rolled around here. So I'm going to be doing some baking today, and we'll start out with these Ghirardelli, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, triple chocolate brownies, and then we'll bake them in my Brooklyn brownie copper, and I'm going to add me about a cup of walnuts to it. And so let's get started and see how they turn out. Okay, the first thing we'll do is take these walnuts here and dump them on this flexible cutting sheet here and get them chopped up. I know I'm mostly going to be in the way, so I'll show you how to get started with these. Like that. This is a little time consuming, so I'm not going to waste your time with just sitting here and watching this entire chopping process. So we'll be back in a second. Just preheat your oven to 325 degrees. And now we'll open this package of Ghirardelli triple chocolate. Okay, and I'm going to pour it in this medium-sized mixing bowl here. These are just little plastic or Tupperware mixing bowls, and so that's about medium. And now I've got my chopped nuts here, my chopped walnuts, and I'm going to dump those in. I love these flexible cutting sheets here. Makes it so much easier just to pour things in like that. Now the recipe calls for a third cup of water and a third cup of oil. Like that. And it needs to have one egg. Okay, there's the egg. Now, discard this. Running out of room to put anything here. Alright, now we'll take my handy dandy whisk here and start stirring this up. I don't know if you heard or not, but a little beeping over there says my oven is ready. Well, I'm not ready yet for the oven. You just want to make sure you don't have any dry powder still down in there. And get all these walnuts here mixed up really well. Right, now let's get this pan ready real quick. Okay, now I'm going to take the my mixture here and pour it in this Brooklyn brownie copper here. Get it all down in there. Set that right there, and I'll take this little spatula here and get to see if I can get the biggest part of the rest of it out. Now I did use some cooking spray of this. I used that pound there to put on this this pan and such, because I want it to come out easy when I finish with it. Okay, that leaves a little bit in there. Somebody's got to take and scoop all that out and eat it, you know, so I don't know who that'll be, but I bet it don't go to waste. So anyway, now you take this part of this Brooklyn Brownie copper here and you put it down in here. And you push down on it, make sure that you're covering any nuts. And now we're going to slip it in the oven. Okay. Get that in there. Shut the door. Now we'll let it go for a while. It says let them cook for 45 to 50 minutes. I'm going to set my timer to 45 minutes. Okay, now my timer's going there. And so now I've got these in here at 325 degrees for 45 minutes, and we'll be back in a minute. I know you're just dying to sit here and watch that oven for 45 minutes. So, through the magic of time and cameras, we'll be back in just a second, and 45 minutes will be up. I mentioned it earlier or not, but make sure you put that brownie pan on a baking sheet before you put it in your oven, because now that is a removable bottom, and if you don't put it on a baking sheet, chances are you're going to have some of the brownie mix leak out and get on your burners and stuff, and you're not going to be very happy with that. So anyway, and it's down to, we got 14 more minutes to go, and I wish you could smell them. I wish we had smell-o-vision here, because it sure smells good in this house right now from those brownies cooking. So anyway, while I got a second, if y'all can join my channel and give me a thumbs up, I sure would appreciate it. And thank you to all y'all that's been watching my videos, and special thanks to the people that's joined my channel, and I hope you watch more of my videos and come back and see me real soon. So we'll be back in a minute. Like I say, we've got 14 more minutes to go. Okay, now we're in the final minute of these brownies here. It's down to 43 seconds, so it's not going to be long now if we get in there and see just what these brownies look like.
Whatever it is that they decide to put this into the social credit system, it's very controversial.
Okay, and there's the oven beeping. It says it's time to take them out, so let's take them out and see what they look like. Well, they look good from here. I will turn everything off on the oven here. Now, I'm going to tell you, when you get ready to take these out of the oven, they're heavier than what you might think they would be. So be extremely careful. I'm going to use both hands. I'm going to use my gloves here. Oh yeah, that looks delicious right there. Here on the countertop, on a couple of pot holders, they sure do look good. The rose just right and everything. So I'm fixing to pull that center divider thing out, and we'll see if it comes out okay. And again, these little prongs here, those are really hot, so don't touch them with your bare hands. And you can grab both of them and just shake them a little bit like that when you come up, and it'll come right out if everything goes well. Now we're going to move them over a little bit further. Lift them up off this cookie sheet here, or this baking sheet, and bring them over here and set them on top of these two cans and just sort of ease down on the sides like that. And see how that comes apart like that? Now, I'm going to tell you right now, that's still really hot. And one other thing that's really important, when you set this on top of those cans like that, that is really slick. So if you're not careful, you wind up with all your brownies in the floor. So be careful when you start dividing these. Now, just in a second when they cool down a little bit, I'm going to separate them a little bit more. And I'll show you how that goes in just a second. I'm just going to take a little plastic knife here and go in between these and do them just like that all the way down. That really helps them separate on these edges. Like I say, now this thing is extremely slick, ouch, and hot. So watch out how you touch it. See, most of them's already all the way through, but you just help it along a little bit like this, you know, to make sure when you get ready to take them up that they'll come apart. That's all there is to that. Now, I've got this snap wire over here, and we'll put these in after I put a paper towel in them. I'll start putting them in this one here. And just place them in there like that. Paper towels just keep them from sticking a little bit to the bottom of your snap wire bowl there, and that way you don't have to worry about cleaning it up afterwards and stuff like that. See how these just come right off of there. I'm going to tell you, people really love them with these walnuts in them. If you don't try them with walnuts, you ought to try just fixing you some walnuts and putting them in them one time and seeing how much more everybody likes them. Of course, it's hard not to like a brownie whether it's got walnuts in it or not. So anyway, that's about it on these brownies here. Now, as soon as I'm finished with these and get everything done, we'll clean these pans up here. I've got two of these. Brownie pans like this, and I'm going to fill them up with stovetop stuffing, and I'm going to mix it up and cook them just like these brownies here. I'm going to put them back in the oven and bake them, and that makes the perfect little squares for your stuffing on Thanksgiving Day. So that's what I'm going to do next. And so till next time, y'all have a real good day and have a happy Thanksgiving, and come back and see me real soon, because I hope to have another video for you real soon. And thanks again for watching my videos. Y'all have a real good day now and a happy Thanksgiving. Goodbye.